Hi, today we're going to learn how to verify emails with the Xverify email verification platform and how to bring those emails into your ActiveCampaign platform. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to create an Xverify account. And then after doing that, sign on in and you'll see your dashboard first thing. You'll click Batch Upload on the left-hand side. And then from here, because we're uploading a file of emails, we'll make sure that this is checked. If we want an email alert when the job is done, we'll add our email address there. Now we need to connect to our ActiveCampaign ESP. So we'll click Connect to ESP. Here, ActiveCampaign is listed first, and we'll click Connect. To find your API URL and API key, you'll log into your ActiveCampaign account, click on Settings, and then click on Developer. Your URL and your key should be the first things on that page. If they're not, definitely contact your account admin, and they can help you out. So after you enter those, you'll click Login. And then once your integration is connected, you'll see it appear on the left-hand side. Then, if it's connected and everything's flowing correctly, you'll see your lists in ActiveCampaign listed here. For today's purposes, we're just going to use a small sample list of emails, and I'll click Verify List on the right-hand side. So we have two options. One, where we clean the file and we generate the CSV file, or where we clean and update, where it cleans your list and unsubscribes invalid emails within your ESP. I'm going to click Clean and Update. It's going to let me know that it's in the queue. And then if you scroll down, you'll see how things are processing. So for example, we have one that's finished. You'll see this arrow over here. If it's still processing, you'll see a percentage. And if it's pending, you'll see it pending right here in status. To keep things moving, I'll click into the one that's already processed. You'll see a quick look at the valids, accept alls, invalids, riskies, and unknowns. You have a couple of options. You can download a PDF report, or you can download the CSV file. And then if you decide you're done with this data and you don't want it in your Xverify platform any longer, you can just click delete. So for now, I'm going to click download. So you can download either the full file or emails with specific conditions. So I'm going to download the full file for today. Now, because I have that, I'm going to go back into my ActiveCampaign account. I'm going to go to Contacts and click Import. And then here I'm going to import from a file. Let's find that newsletter list. So here you're going to see there are a number of columns to import: ID, status, reason, domain, correction, domain type, and role account. These aren't automatically in your ActiveCampaign, but if you want to go ahead and import those, you'll just have to create those fields. I created a few of these already, so I'll just go ahead and map those. Domain, correction, domain type, and then let's actually add the new role account field. So just a text input field. We'll click Save. We can add them to this list if we want to. We can add specific tags. Add today's date. Update existing contacts while importing. Then we'll go ahead and click Import now. So here we'll see that the import has been started. We can monitor our progress, obviously, or leave the page. I'll go ahead and click Refresh. Oops. So now we can see that the contacts are loading. And if we want to search by tag, let's say the clean list, we can pop in to see any of these. And now we can see those IDs, the status, reasons, etc. And then we can begin creating lists based on those specific fields if we really want to. So this is great for creating suppression lists, etc. So here, if we wanted to specifically search for people, we could add the tag from our imported list, and we can go ahead and select custom contact fields. Let's say I wanted the status to be valid. Search, see if anything pops up. Perfect. So all of the invalid contacts are now on this list. We'll click into one just to make sure. And there we go. We can see status invalid. So that's how you're going to verify your emails through the Xverify platform and then actually import that data back into ActiveCampaign to make sure that you have suppression lists, lists of valid emails, etc., to better optimize your email marketing campaign metrics and performance. Thanks.